Welcome to this Ashampoo Music Studio 8 video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your favorite songs into mixtapes for use at your next party, in your car, or any other place you like. The possibilities are many. Let's begin. Fittingly, we've called the function to create song mixes mixtape, and it comes in two varieties. Mixtape takes your songs and creates mixtapes according to your specifications, along with cue-based playlists if you like. DJ Mixtape analyzes your songs and adjusts the overall tempo, measured in beats per minute, for a more harmonious listening experience. This will, however, slightly alter the songs. I'm going to use mixtape, so let's get started. Unlike ordinary playlists that simply describe the order songs are to be played in, and that can be created in another section of this program, mixtape creates a new audio file that is playable on other devices and can be burned to disk. It can even create cue sheets. This not only lets you play and navigate the file as if it were separate files on many software players, but also allows you to burn it to disk as separate tracks. I'll now drag and drop my songs into the project. You can also use the File and Folder buttons to add your files. The settings allow you to add a fade-in at the beginning and a fade-out effect at the end of your mixtape that will gradually increase or lower the volume. The cue sheet will allow you to navigate within the newly created audio file as if it were separate files, and will make it particularly easy to burn it to disk as separate tracks, which is what I'll be doing later. Finally, the crossfade setting affects at what point the currently played song will gradually fade into the next song. I'll select 5 seconds. To alter the playback sequence, either drag and drop the tracks via their handles, or use the shuffle feature for a randomized sequence. That's what I'll be doing. With basic setup out of the way, it's now time to select audio format and quality for the new file. If you already know you'll be playing your file on an Apple, Android or Windows device, you can select that device at the top. The program will then select a suitable file format for you. I'll be using MP3 as audio format and CD as quality setting, since I want to burn the new file to disk later. Lastly, I'll specify name and output location for the new file. Here's a brief visualization of the rendering process. As I said earlier, I want to create an audio disc based on the new file. For that, I'll select Rip and Burn from the main page and then create Audio CD. I'll then select the cue sheet and click Open. The cue sheet allows Music Studio to import the audio from the file as separate tracks. Time to select a disc recorder. After the burning process, I'll have an audio disc that contains my mixtape and that is playable in any retail player. That's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this small peek at Music Studio 8's extensive feature set. Make sure to try out the many other features the program has to offer. Have fun creating your own mixtapes, and see you next time.